Hello guys, this is me Sagarli and you are watching the Sagarli YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about preposition, the common two prepositions, on versus in for what? Vehicles. Well, we will discuss this thing in common with conceptual theory. Well, whatever vehicle is, if you can walk, use on. But whatever vehicle is, if you cannot walk, use in. How? For example, let's do this exercise. I am dash a car. Well, I have a question. Can you walk in the car? No, you cannot walk in the car. Well, the vehicles in which you can walk, use on. The vehicles in which you cannot walk, use in. Well, so here you cannot walk in car, so use what? In. Well, next thing, he is dash a truck. Well, the concept is, can you walk in the truck? Yes or no? The answer is no. You cannot walk in the truck. So simply you have to crouch like you sit in the car, but you cannot walk. So here, which preposition we have to use? On or in? The answer is in. He is in a truck. Next one, they are traveling dash a train. Well, can you walk in a train? The answer is yes, you can walk in a train. So which preposition is appropriate? On versus in? On. Here you have to use they are traveling on a train. Next one, she is dash a bus. Well, take the example. Whenever you travel in a bus, could you walk in a bus? The answer is yes, we can walk in a bus. Whenever we take a bus, we just walk over and sit on a chair. Whatever we have, you can say seat number. So you can walk in a bus. Here, which preposition you have to use? On or in? The answer is on. She is on a bus. Okay, next one. John is dash a helicopter. In American English, helicopter is known as chopper. John is dash a chopper. Well, go for concept. Can you walk in a helicopter? No, you just crouch and you just sit on the chair. So, which preposition is appropriate? On or in? The answer is in, because you cannot walk in a helicopter. So you have to use simply in. If you can walk in a vehicle, use on. So here, John is in a helicopter. Sixth one, Mary is dash a plane. Well, you know very well, you have watched in movies, or if you have, you can say, travel to abroad, you have watched one thing. Somehow air hostess comes and then they ask you, say anything you want. So how they come? In a crouch way? Or in just you can say straightforward way? They walk, you can say, on the airplane. Well, it cannot be they walk on the airplane, it means you can say above the airplane. No. Simply, if you can walk, you can say in airplane properly. So simply, you have to use on instead of in. So you have to put the concept. Which vehicle is it? Can we walk? Yes, we can walk. use on. If we cannot walk, use in. That's all. Well, Mary is, what? Dash a plane. In, on. Natasha and Anna are dash a ship. Well, could you imagine a ship? How massive they are. They are massive. You can walk properly. So then you have to use what? In or on. The answer is on. Well, at the end I have an exercise. You have to use it. A taxi. Use it. You just have 5 seconds. I am dash a taxi. On or in? The answer is in. I am dash a Lamborghini. On or in? Can you walk in a Lamborghini? No. So simply use in. In Lamborghini. In Rolls Royce. Well, here's a different thing. Bicycle and bike. Well, whenever you use two things, you have to simply use, you can say on. I'm riding on bicycle. I'm riding on bike. And so on. I'm riding on horse. That's all from me. Let's recap it. I am in a car. He is in a truck. They are traveling on a train. She is on a bus. John is in a helicopter. Mary is on a plane. Natasha and Anna are on a ship. Thank you for watching. Keep like, keep subscribe. See you in next video. Have a nice day.